Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you top 5 premium quality knife set. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. First of all, HENCKELS Premium Quality 15-piece knife set. With block, razor sharp. German-engineered knife informed by over 100 years of masterful knife making. Lightweight and strong, dishwasher safe. Color, natural. Brand, HENCKELS. Blade material, stainless steel. Blade edge, bread knife. Item dimensions LXWXH, 12.52 by 5.51 by 11.73 inches. Ultra-sharp blades, superior professional level sharpness that ensures precision cutting. The last knife you'll ever need to buy, German-engineered knife informed by over 100 years of mastery. HENCKELS knives are built to last. Effortless cutting, enjoy easy cutting with minimal effort with this lightweight, easy-to-use knife. Set includes 3-inch paring knife, 5-inch serrated utility knife, 7-inch Santoku knife hollow edge, 8-inch chef's knife, 8-inch bread knife, 4.5-inch steak knife set of 6, professional honing steel, kitchen shears, and hardwood knife block. Quick cleanup, no fuss cleanup, in the dishwasher or by hand. Stain and rust-free blades. Worth the splurge, HENCKELS knives start out razor sharp and stay sharper longer, even with minimal care. Durable blade, single piece, precision stamped blade construction provides durability. Number 2. Ninja K32012 Foodi NeverDull Premium Knife System. 12-piece knife block set with built-in sharpener, German stainless steel knives, black. Color, stainless steel/black. Brand, Ninja. Blade material, stainless steel. Blade edge, fine. German stainless steel, premium blades forged from German stainless steel are rust-resistant and strong enough for all your kitchen tasks. Sharp precision, superior sharp edge easily glides through tough ingredients with a razor-sharp cutting angle. Chopping and slicing have never been easier. Comfortable grip, ergonomic, chef-approved design is perfectly balanced for comfort and control, so the knife feels like an extension of your hand. Professional durability, durable, wear-resistant handle includes a full-tang construction for a professional weight in hand. Built-in sharpener, NeverDull technology is conveniently built into the storage block for professional sharpening results that will maintain a razor-sharp edge for over 10 years. Easy home sharpening, easy, foolproof sharpening ensures you'll never experience the frustration of a dull knife again. All you do is swipe the lever on the outside of the block. Foolproof stone sharpening wheel. As you swipe, the dynamic stone sharpening wheel engages your blade at the perfect angle and applies the optimal amount of pressure to restore your edge to superior sharpness in seconds. Number 3. Home Hero High Carbon Stainless Steel Kitchen Knife Set. Chef knives and 2-stage sharpener, ergonomic handles and precision cutting. Acrylic cutlery block and easy access storage, 20 PC, black. Color, black. Brand, Home Hero. Blade material, high carbon stainless steel. Blade edge, plain. Complete kitchen arsenal. Discover the Home Hero Kitchen Knife Set, a 20-piece collection featuring high carbon stainless steel blades with ergonomic handles. This set ensures precision cutting and easy handling for all culinary tasks. Elegant knife display. Elevate your kitchen's aesthetic with the included acrylic stand, designed to organize and showcase your knives. Its modern design offers easy access, making cooking more efficient and stylish. Versatile culinary tools. From carving to slicing, our knife set includes specialized blades for various kitchen tasks, including pizza, bread, and steak knives. Experience the versatility of tools crafted for both everyday meals and gourmet creations. Enhanced comfort grip. Each knife features an ergonomic handle for superior comfort and control during use. The non-stick coating on the blades ensures effortless slicing and reduces food residue buildup. Comprehensive kitchen set. Equip your kitchen with essential tools like kitchen scissors, a 2-stage sharpener, and a finger protector. Our set also includes a double-sided peeler/grater, adding functionality to your culinary endeavors. Number 4. Knife Set, 15 PCS Kitchen Knife Block Set. Enduring razor-sharp Japanese high-carbon stainless steel chef knife set with block and sharpener. Premium black knives set for kitchen. Color, black. Brand, Knife Saga. Blade material, stainless steel. Blade edge, ultra sharp. Ultimate kitchen knife set investment, engineered for superior edge retention and durability. Knife Saga block knife sets maintain razor-sharp precision with minimal maintenance, ensuring professional-level performance that stands the test of time. Lifetime service and assurance. Knife Saga knives offer superior hardness and edge retention, staying sharp and corrosion-resistant for a lifetime of reliable use. We're confident in the quality of our knife set with block. That's why we offer a 100-day hassle-free return policy and lifetime assurance, presenting not just a knife set, but a lifelong culinary partnership. Confidence in every cut. Knife Saga has developed an innovative steel with optimized structural composition and carbon content. Each blade features an incredibly sharp 10 degrees cutting edge, ensuring every slice is smooth, swift, and precise. Forged to last, advanced cryogenic tempering and precision heat treatment ensure superior hardness, flexibility, and corrosion resistance. Full tang construction guarantees durability without breakage. Everyday dish and elaborate meal comes with 8-inch chef knife, 8 bread knife, 6 boning knife, 7 santoku knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6 PCS 4.5 steak knife set, a multi-purpose shear, a sharpening steel, all housed in a solid wood block with non-slip bottom. Hand wash recommended for premium quality knives. Number 5. Knife set, Astercook 21 pieces knife sets. For kitchen with block, dishwasher safe kitchen knife set with built-in sharpener. German stainless steel black knife block set. Color, black. Brand, Astercook. Blade material, high carbon stainless steel. Blade edge, serrated. All-in-one value knife set, 21 pieces knife set includes 8-inch chef knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 santoku knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 3 peeling knife, 6 pro boning knife, 5 cheese knife, 8 PCS 4.5 serrated steak knife, poultry shears, kitchen shears, and hardwood knife block with built-in sharpener. Black non-stick and anti-rust coating. The black coating on the stainless steel surface does a good job of stopping the knives from oxidizing in contact with oxygen in the air, so the kitchen knife set will remain non-stick and rust-proof for years to come. Amazing built-in knife sharpener. Kitchen knife sets with built-in sharpeners are very convenient and you can sharpen your knives with one hand. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.